The AG-600 Kunlong is a large amphibious aircraft made in China that can fly over both land and water. It's one of the biggest planes of its kind in the world and was specially built for tough and important tasks. The AG-600 is designed to fight wildfires, carry out ocean rescues, and help patrol large sea areas, making it very useful for both emergencies and regular missions. This aircraft can fly more than 4,500 kilometers without stopping and is able to collect huge amounts of water directly from lakes or the ocean. It can also land smoothly on water or on regular runways, giving it great flexibility. Powered by 4 strong turboprop engines, it can carry over 60 people or up to 12 tons of cargo. This makes it a powerful and reliable aircraft for many different types of jobs. Whether it's flying into dangerous emergency areas or gliding over groups of islands, the AG-600 is built to go where many other aircraft can't. With its strong design and ability to operate in difficult conditions, it plays an important role in protecting people and the environment from the sky.
The Asterisk Airfish Wing in Groundcraft Asterisk is a futuristic hybrid vehicle that travels just above the water's surface using a special effect called the Asterisk Ground Effect. This allows it to reduce drag and increase lift, making it faster and more fuel efficient than traditional boats or small aircraft. It's powered by an aircraft engine and can reach speeds of up to ** 100 knots *, making it a great option for quick coastal trips or short sea crossings. The Airfish combines the stability of a boat with the speed and efficiency of air travel, offering a unique and eco-friendly way to transport passengers or cargo. Its sleek, modern design isn't just for looks, it helps improve performance while providing a smooth ride. Whether used for private travel, business transport, or coastal services, the Airfish stands out as an innovative solution that blends air and sea travel. Prices for the Airfish typically range between $500,000 and $1 million depending on the model and features.
Electric aircraft are changing the future of flying by making it cleaner, quieter, and more eco-friendly. Instead of using traditional jet engines, these planes run on electric power from advanced batteries, hybrid systems, or hydrogen fuel cells. This new technology helps cut down carbon emissions and lowers the cost of flying. Engineers are working on better, lighter batteries and more efficient motors to help these aircraft fly farther and perform better. Electric planes also open up new ways to travel, such as short city-to-city flights and quiet air taxis for urban areas. As battery technology continues to improve, electric aircraft could become a key part of greener air travel, offering quieter flights, lower fuel use, and a big step toward a cleaner future in aviation.
The MQ-9 Reaper is a powerful and advanced drone used by the U.S. military and its allies. Built by General Atomics, it's designed for long missions and can fly at high altitudes, up to 50,000 feet, for more than 27 hours without needing to land. This unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is packed with high-tech cameras and sensors that provide detailed surveillance from above. But it's not just for watching, it's also heavily armed with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, allowing it to strike targets with great accuracy. Operated remotely by trained crews on the ground, the MQ-9 Reaper can track and eliminate threats from far away, making it a key tool in modern military operations. It provides real-time information during missions and can carry out precise attacks while keeping human pilots out of harm's way. Whether it's monitoring an area or launching a strike, the MQ-9 is known for its long endurance, sharp surveillance abilities, and deadly accuracy. It's one of the most reliable and feared drones in the world today, showing how far technology has come in modern warfare. The Netra 5 is a next-generation tactical drone developed by IdeaForge, designed for high-performance missions in defense, surveillance, and emergency response. Weighing under 8 kilograms, it's lightweight and can be ready for takeoff in under 3 minutes, making it perfect for fast, on-the-spot deployments. It's equipped with advanced AI technology that allows it to detect and track objects in real time, even in challenging environments. The drone features both electro-optical (EO) and infrared (IR) sensors, allowing it to operate effectively during the day and at night. Netra 5 is highly versatile, with modular payload options including LAR systems and precision drop capabilities, allowing it to adapt to a wide variety of missions. The Rotating Detonation Rocket Engine, RDRE, is an advanced type of rocket engine that could completely change how we think about space travel and high-speed flight. Unlike traditional engines that burn fuel in a steady stream, the RDRE works by creating controlled explosions that rotate around a central chamber. These spinning detonations generate more power while using less fuel, making the engine more efficient and compact. One of the most exciting features of RDRE technology is its potential to achieve hypersonic speeds, much faster than current engines can manage. This could allow spacecraft or high-speed planes to take off from regular runways, fly at extremely high speeds, and possibly even travel into space without needing a huge launch pad. The RDRE could be a game-changer not just for space exploration but also for defense and commercial aviation. Its high thrust-to-weight ratio and fuel efficiency mean it could power future military aircraft, spaceplanes, or ultra-fast passenger jets. Engineers are especially interested in it because it might make launching satellites cheaper and quicker, and open up new possibilities for reusable spacecraft. As testing continues and real-world trials like those done by companies such as Venus Aerospace move forward, RDREs may soon become a practical, everyday part of high-speed aerospace travel.
The Mightyfly Cento is a high-tech cargo drone built to make fast deliveries easier and more efficient. It's an electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, making it ideal for use in areas without runways. What sets the Cento apart is its ability to carry up to 100 pounds of cargo and travel up to 600 miles on a single trip, cruising at speeds of 150 miles per hour. One of its most impressive features is the AMS, an autonomous loading and management system. This smart system allows the drone to load, unload, and even adjust the position of cargo mid-flight without any help from people on the ground. That means less human effort is needed, making the whole process faster and more efficient. The Cento is being developed for a wide range of uses. It can handle same-day deliveries for businesses in logistics, retail, manufacturing, and healthcare. It's also being tested for use in emergency situations like medical transport and disaster relief, where speed and reliability are critical. The drone has already shown off its skills in successful test flights for the US Air Force, proving that it's not just a concept, it's ready for real-world action. With its mix of smart technology, long range, and heavy-lifting power, the Cento is shaping up to be a game-changer in the future of delivery and emergency response. Solar-powered airplanes could change the future of flying by using sunlight as their main source of energy. These planes have wide, lightweight wings covered in solar panels that turn sunlight into electricity to power their engines and onboard systems. They are designed to fly very high, above the clouds, where they can stay in sunlight for longer periods. Made with strong but light materials like carbon fiber, they can fly longer without using much energy. Some future models may use a mix of electric motors and jet engines to improve performance and lower emissions. These planes could also feature quiet engines, smart controls, and large windows for better passenger experience. With uses in surveillance, scientific research, and communication, and as solar technology and batteries keep getting better, solar planes may soon play an important role in eco-friendly air travel. The SR-UH-1 Huey Gunship RTF is a ready-to-fly RC helicopter that recreates the famous Vietnam-era Huey in a way that's both durable and easy to handle. Built on the dependable Blade SR platform, it has a detailed licensed Huey body and uses a powerful brushless motor that gives it solid performance in the air. The helicopter is set up with softer flight responses, which means it's more forgiving and easier to learn compared to traditional collective pitch models. With a recommended 11.1 volts, 1000 mAh 3S LiPo battery, you'll get about 5 to 7 minutes of flight time, depending on how you fly and how much throttle you use. Its size makes it versatile enough for flying both indoors and outdoors, even in light wind. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone who wants a realistic Huey helicopter that's smooth to fly and doesn't require a lot of setup. The AH-64 Apache RC helicopter is a beginner-friendly model that's perfect for anyone new to flying RC helicopters. It uses a coaxial rotor system, which means it has 2 sets of blades stacked on top of each other, spinning in opposite directions. This setup makes the helicopter very stable and easier to control. It comes packed with helpful features like one-button auto takeoff, automatic altitude hold to keep it steady in the air, and auto landing so you can bring it down safely with minimal effort. bright LED lights are built in, so you can see it clearly even when the light starts to fade. This is a ready-to-fly RTF version, so it includes everything you need right out of the box, except for the AA batteries for the remote control. The included LiPo battery gives you up to 12 minutes of flight time and recharges easily with the provided USB cable, so you'll be back in the air quickly after each session. Made from lightweight but tough plastic, the helicopter holds up well to minor bumps and is great for outdoor flying in calm or light wind. It has a control range of about 30 meters, giving you plenty of space to practice and enjoy flying. Overall, it's a solid, easy-to-use RC helicopter that makes learning fun and safe. The Align TB70 is a high-performance electric RC helicopter built for sport flying, aerobatics, and 3D maneuvers. It's known for its lightweight design and smooth, precise power delivery thanks to its efficient belt-driven tail rotor. The latest V2 version comes with several improvements over earlier models. It has a lighter mainframe, a stronger main shaft, and better canopy mounting, all of which make it easier to handle and more durable. One of its standout features is the integrated composite side plates, which help reduce noise and add extra strength to the structure. These updates make the TB70 V2 lighter, quieter, and tougher than the older TRX 700 models. As a result, it offers even better flight performance, giving experienced pilots more control and confidence whether they're doing fast passes, flips, or advanced 3D tricks. Overall, the Align TB70 is an excellent choice for RC enthusiasts who want a helicopter that can handle demanding flying styles while staying strong and responsive in the air. The Blade Fusion 700 is a high-performance remote control helicopter built for serious hobbyists who love advanced flying. Even though it's called Mini, there's nothing small about how it handles in the air. It has a strong carbon fiber frame, tough aluminum parts, and smooth rotor mechanics that make every movement precise. The 700mm main rotor and belt-driven tail system let it fly fast and perform complex tricks like high-speed flips, inverted rolls, and daring spins with total stability. Whether you're into 3D aerobatics or just want the thrill of powerful flight, this helicopter is designed to deliver top-level performance. It's not for beginners. It requires skill and practice to control properly. For experienced pilots who want to push their abilities, the Fusion 700 is an exciting choice. The price ranges from about $600 to $800, depending on how you set it up, making it a serious investment for anyone passionate about RC helicopters and sky-high stunts. The Blade Revolution 90 FP is an ultra-micro RC helicopter designed for both beginners and experienced pilots to practice flying indoors. It comes fully assembled and ready to fly right out of the box, with everything you need included: a transmitter, battery, and charger. This little helicopter uses special safe sensor technology to help keep it stable in the air and prevent crashes by limiting how far it can tilt or dive. For even more help, it has an optional altitude hold mode that keeps it at a steady height automatically, so you can focus on learning the controls without worrying about going up or down. Overall, it's a great way to build your flying skills safely and easily. The Cavorite X7 is a next-generation aircraft designed by Horizon Aircraft that combines the abilities of a helicopter and a traditional airplane. It's a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, meaning it can lift off straight up like a helicopter, but also fly forward quickly and efficiently like a plane. It uses 14 built-in fans for vertical lift and a rear propeller to move forward. The Cavorite X7 is expected to reach speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and can travel more than 500 miles on a single trip. Unlike many fully electric aircraft, this hybrid model can recharge its batteries while flying, allowing for quick turnaround times and longer missions. This advanced aircraft is designed not only for everyday travel, but also for more serious uses like medical emergencies, search and rescue, military transport, and surveillance missions. Its design helps reduce its impact on the environment while still offering strong performance. The Cavorite X7 stands out because it combines speed, range, and the ability to carry more weight than many other electric flying vehicles. The E-flite SE5A 900mm lets you relive the early days of aviation when pilots flew open cockpit biplanes in World War I. This RC model is a detailed recreation of the famous British SE-5A fighter that once ruled the skies over Europe. With a 900mm wingspan and a vintage paint job, it looks like a piece of history in flight. Every detail, from the ribbed wings to the fixed landing gear, brings back the feel of classic aviation. But while it looks old-fashioned, it's built with modern technology inside. It comes equipped with AS3X stabilization to keep the plane steady and Safe Select to help prevent mistakes, making it much easier to fly than you might expect. Even if you're an intermediate pilot, you'll find it smooth and forgiving in the air. The SE-5A is perfect for relaxed scale flying or performing gentle loops and turns that feel just like the graceful maneuvers pilots used in the past. Overall, it's a great blend of nostalgic looks and reliable performance that captures the romance of early flight while offering the confidence of modern RC systems. The E-flite UMX Cirrus SR-22T is a small RC airplane that captures the look and feel of the real Cirrus SR-22T, a popular modern general aviation plane. With its sleek shape, detailed cockpit, and stylish paint job, this ultra-micro model looks impressive even before it takes off. Despite its small size, it flies beautifully. Thanks to built-in AS3X stabilization and optional Safe Select technology, it stays steady in the air, making it easy to control whether you're doing smooth turns, flying level, or trying gentle loops and rolls. The lightweight design and compact size mean you can fly it almost anywhere, like small parks or even large indoor areas, without needing a lot of open space. The powerful brushless motor gives it plenty of energy when using a 2S LiPo battery, so it feels lively without being too fast to handle. Best of all, it doesn't require much setup. Just charge the battery, bind it to your transmitter, and you're ready to fly. Overall, the UMX Cirrus SR-22T is a great choice for anyone who wants an elegant, easygoing RC plane that offers scale looks and smooth performance in a small, convenient package. The E-flite Carbon Z T-28 Trojan 2.0 meters is a big RC airplane that's built to look and fly like the classic T-28 military trainer. With a large 2-meter wingspan and a strong Carbon Z foam construction, it feels sturdy in the air and can handle regular flying without damage. The scale details are impressive. Things like the pilot figure, molded panel lines, and retractable landing gear make it look very realistic. Flying this model is smooth and predictable, especially with Safe Select and AS3X stabilization systems that help keep it steady. The flaps make takeoffs and landings easier to control, and when you power it with a 6S battery, it has plenty of speed for big loops, rolls, and basic aerobatic maneuvers. Even though it's a large warbird, it's not overly sensitive to control inputs, which makes it a good step up for intermediate pilots who want to try flying something bigger without feeling intimidated. Overall, the Carbon Z T-28 Trojan combines great looks, reliable handling, and solid performance in one big, fun package. It's priced around $550, making it a good investment for pilots who want a large-scale model that performs well and looks fantastic in the air. The E-flite Viper 64mm EDF jet is a fast, stable RC jet that doesn't need a big runway to take off. It comes almost ready to fly right out of the box. You just do a little simple assembly, plug in a 4S battery, and you're set. The 64mm electric ducted fan gives it impressive speed, but what really stands out is how smooth and easy it is to control, even if you're not an expert jet pilot. Thanks to built-in AS3X and Safe Select technology, the Viper stays steady in the air and helps prevent mistakes that could lead to crashes. It handles basic aerobatics with no trouble at all, so you can do rolls, loops, and even inverted flight with confidence. Everything feels locked in and predictable, making it a great choice for pilots who want to try jets without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, it's a fun, well-designed model that offers exciting performance without being hard to fly. The price is usually between $250 and $300, making it an affordable way to experience the thrill of EDF jet flying. The EHang Aerial Firefighting Solutions is a new idea from a Chinese company called EHang, which makes autonomous flying vehicles, AAVs. This concept uses large drones specially designed to fight wildfires. These drones can fly on their own using preset instructions or be controlled remotely. Each drone comes with firefighting tools like water tanks or fire-retardant containers, and they also have advanced sensors to help them fly safely and detect fire conditions. One of the biggest benefits of this system is that the drones can reach areas that are too dangerous or difficult for firefighters on the ground to access. This makes EHang's drone-based approach a safer and more efficient way to fight fires in remote or risky locations. The Flywing UH-1 V4 Huey GPS Smart RC helicopter is a realistic and advanced remote control model designed to look like the famous Huey helicopter. It's ready to fly right out of the box and is about the size of a 450 class RC helicopter. What sets it apart is its GPS-stabilized flight system, which uses satellite signals to keep it steady in the air. This makes it much easier to control, even for intermediate pilots. The helicopter also has a return-to-home feature that automatically brings it back safely if it loses signal or the battery gets low. Built with a strong carbon fiber frame and powered by dual brushless motors, it combines durability and power. A high-precision flybarless controller helps it fly smoothly. The Flywing Bell 206 V3 is an RC helicopter made to look just like the real Bell 206 Jet Ranger, with a detailed body, long tail boom, and fixed landing skids. But it's more than just a good-looking model. It's packed with smart technology that makes flying much easier. It has an H1 flight controller, along with GPS, a barometer, and optical flow sensors. These features help keep the helicopter steady in the air, so you don't have to constantly adjust it by hand. It can hover in place automatically, return to its starting point if needed, and even follow preset GPS routes that you set up through an app. This makes it a great choice for people who want realistic looks along with modern, drone-like stability and control. Price for the Flywing Bell 206 V3 is usually between $550 and $700, depending on what setup and extra options you choose. The Hangar 9 Hawk Turbine Jet RF is a large-scale RC model designed to look just like the famous naval trainer jet. Built for experienced turbine pilots or those ready to move up to bigger models, this jet combines detailed craftsmanship with excellent flight performance. Its strong yet lightweight airframe is made from carbon fiber reinforced balsa and plywood, giving it stability and quick response in the air. The Hawk comes almost ready to fly, RF, so you don't have to build it from scratch. It includes a full hardware kit, a reliable fuel system, and an eye-catching Betsy Ross paint scheme. Its modular design makes it easier to transport because the wings and stabilizers can be removed. You can install a 140 to 160 turbine engine, electric retractable landing gear, and a lighting system sold separately to complete the setup and customize the jet to your liking. Overall, this model is a great choice for pilots who want a realistic, large-scale turbine jet that offers both impressive looks and responsive handling in the air. The Hangar 9 OV-10 Bronco 20cc ARF is much more than just an RC model. It feels like bringing a real battlefield scout plane back to life. Inspired by the full-size Bronco that flew low and fast on military missions, this plane has a bold look with its wide wingspan, aggressive twin-boom design, and unmistakable presence in the air. It's designed to be powered by either twin 20cc gas engines or electric motors, giving you flexible options depending on how you like to fly. Once you get it in the air, the Bronco feels stable and confident, especially when making big, low passes that show off its impressive shape. It's the kind of plane that really grabs attention wherever you fly it. If you go electric, you can expect about 8 to 12 minutes of flight time using two 6S 5000 mAh batteries. If you prefer gas engines, you'll usually get even longer flights with the right tuning. Overall, the OV-10 Bronco offers exciting scale performance, striking looks, and the deep growl of a serious warbird, all in a well-made RF package that's ready to help you experience what flying this legendary aircraft was all about. The Micro B-2 Spirit twin 30mm EDF is a small RC jet that looks just like the famous B-2 stealth bomber. Even though it fits in the palm of your hand, it captures the same sleek, low-profile wing design as the real thing. This tiny jet uses two 30mm electric ducted fans that deliver surprising power, letting you fly fast, make tight turns, sharp rolls, and smooth passes with ease. Its lightweight foam body makes it very agile in the air, and the matte black finish gives it a stealthy, military look, as if it flew right out of a secret hangar. Despite its compact size, the Micro B-2 feels stable when flying, especially on calm days with little wind. It's also simple to launch. Just toss it by hand and hit the throttle. Overall, it's a fun and exciting model that's great for anyone who wants to experience the feel of flying a stealth jet without needing a lot of space or complicated equipment. The price is about $150, making it an affordable way to enjoy high-speed RC jet action in a small, easy-to-use package.
The Air Scooter by Zapata is a small, easy-to-fly aircraft designed for individual use. It's a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, multicopter, meaning it can lift straight off the ground like a drone. The Air Scooter can fly at a top speed of 100 km per hour and comfortably cruise at around 80 km per hour. Thanks to its special hybrid electric system and a 18.9-liter fuel tank, it can fly for over 2 hours on a single trip. Made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, it weighs just 247 pounds but can carry up to 264 pounds of extra weight. One of the Air Scooter's biggest advantages is that it is built to meet US FAA Part 103 ultralight aircraft rules, which means it might not require a full pilot's license, just some basic training. It also comes with computer-assisted fly-by-wire controls to help make flying safer and easier for beginners. The Air Scooter brings the dream of personal flying machines closer to reality, offering a futuristic, simple way to take to the skies. The Aircar by Klein Vision is a new type of flying supercar that is getting closer to being ready for mass production. It was recently shown at the 2025 Living Legends of Aviation Gala in Beverly Hills. This unique vehicle has been through years of testing and improvements to make sure it is safe and practical for both personal and commercial use. So far, the Aircar has successfully completed over 170 hours of flight and more than 500 takeoffs and landings. What makes the Aircar special is that it works as both a car and an aircraft. When on the road, it can be driven like a normal car, and when it's time to fly, the wings extend for takeoff. Once it lands, the wings neatly fold back in, so it looks and drives like a regular vehicle again. Its body has the sporty look of a real-life supercar, but with some noticeable features like an exposed propeller and a raised tail at the back. The Aircar combines the excitement of flying with the everyday convenience of driving, bringing the dream of a true flying car closer to reality. The Airspeeder Mk3 is a full-size, remote-controlled electric flying racecraft created by Alauda Aeronautics. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, and is built specifically for high-speed air racing. Without a pilot, it weighs about 100 to 130 kilograms and can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, going from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in just 5 to 7 seconds. Its unique X-shaped design with 8 rotors, called an octocopter, gives it amazing control, allowing it to make sharp, Formula One-style turns while flying in 3-dimensional space. The Mk3 is made from carbon fiber, making it both strong and lightweight, which helps with speed and performance. For safety, it's equipped with advanced lidar and radar systems to help avoid collisions during close racing. The Airspeeder Mk3 also features a smart battery swapping system, where pit crews can quickly slide out the battery and lock in a new one during races. This adds an extra layer of strategy to the races, which usually last about 10 to 15 minutes on a single battery charge.
The ATIA Hybrid Electric VTOL is a new kind of flying vehicle designed to change how we travel around cities. Made by Ascendance Flight Technologies in France, it can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need a runway, just a helipad. It combines electric power with a hybrid system, letting it fly up to 400 kilometers at speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. The aircraft has 8 ducted rotors built into its wings, which help it lift off quietly and fly smoothly. It fits 5 passengers and is perfect for city travel, medical emergencies, and even sightseeing, with low noise and fewer emissions. The Dornier Seastar is a unique amphibious aircraft designed for both adventure and practical use. It can smoothly take off and land on water or traditional runways, making it perfect for remote areas and coastal operations. Powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney PT6A-135A turboprop engines, placed one in front and one behind the fuselage, it cruises at over 300 kilometers per hour and can fly up to 900 nautical miles. Its body is made entirely from composite materials, which means it's lightweight and highly resistant to corrosion, great for use in tough marine environments. Whether it's transporting people between island resorts, performing sea patrols, or delivering supplies to remote communities, the Seastar is built to handle it all. Its ability to turn lakes, rivers, or oceans into landing zones gives it access to places most planes can't go, making it not just an aircraft, but a gateway to hard-to-reach destinations. The HX-2 is a sleek, modern aircraft that looks like it's come straight from the future. Designed by Extra Aircraft, it's a lightweight two-seater with a low profile and is built almost entirely from carbon fiber, making it both strong and incredibly light. It's expected to cruise at speeds over 300 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 1,500 kilometers on a full tank. The aircraft's unique, blended body shape isn't just stylish, it helps reduce air resistance and gives it a lower radar profile, which makes it great for things like surveillance and research missions. Inside, the cockpit is simple and modern, matching the futuristic feel of the plane. The HX-2 is all about speed, range, and smart design, combining advanced materials with sharp aerodynamics to offer a smooth and efficient flying experience.
The Kitty Hawk Flyer was a small, lightweight flying machine designed for fun, short trips. It worked on electricity and could take off and land vertically, using 10 small rotors to lift it into the air. It had 2 floating pontoons underneath, so it was safe to fly over calm water like lakes. This aircraft was made for just one person and could only fly up to about 10 feet high, making it easy and safe for beginners to use. On a full battery, it could fly for around 12 to 20 minutes, so it wasn't meant for long journeys, just short and exciting flights. It had simple joystick controls, so even people without flying experience could easily learn to use it. Since it was fully electric, it made very little noise and didn't produce any pollution. The Lift Hexa looks like something from a sci-fi movie. It's a small, one-person electric flying machine made for easy and fun flying. You don't need a traditional pilot's license to fly it. The Hexa is built with a lightweight carbon fiber frame and uses 18 electric rotors to take off and land vertically, just like a drone. Flying it is simple, almost like using a joystick in a video game. It's classified as an ultralight aircraft by the FAA, so it doesn't need runways or special airports to operate. It can fly up to about 15 to 20 meters high for safety and lasts around 15 to 25 minutes per flight, depending on the weight and weather. The Hexa also comes with smart safety features like automatic stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and an emergency parachute, making it a fun but safe way for everyday people to experience flying. The PAL V Liberty is a unique vehicle that combines the excitement of flying with the convenience of driving on the road. Designed in the Netherlands, this flying car can easily switch between car mode and flight mode in just a few minutes. It has a stylish 3-wheeled design that looks and drives like a small, sporty car when on the road, with a top speed of around 160 kilometers per hour. When it's time to take to the skies, the PAL V transforms into a gyroplane, also called an autogyro, where it can fly at speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour and reach heights of around 3,500 meters. The PAL V is powered by a Rotax engine, which helps it perform well both on the ground and in the air. It's been carefully built to meet strict safety standards for both flying and driving, making it one of the most realistic and practical flying cars available today. Unlike other futuristic concepts, the PAL V is designed with everyday use in mind, offering true door-to-door travel that can handle roads and skies alike. With this innovative machine, the future of personal air travel feels much closer, blending modern technology with the freedom to travel almost anywhere. The Speeder is a small, jet-powered flying motorcycle made by Jetpack Aviation. It can fly for about 30 minutes on a single trip. Designed to give people the freedom to fly without needing a runway, it can take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter. It uses several small turbine engines to lift off the ground. The body is made from strong but lightweight carbon fiber, the same material used in airplanes. The Speeder can fly at speeds of over 150 miles per hour and can go as high as 15,000 feet. It can be flown by a person or set to fly on its own. It's built for many uses, like fast rescue missions or even military tasks. The controls are simple, like a joystick in a video game, and special technology helps keep it stable in the air. This makes it easy to fly, even for people who aren't trained pilots. The Star Raker was a futuristic spaceplane concept created by Rockwell International in the late 1970s. The idea behind it was to build a reusable spacecraft that could take off and land like a regular airplane, using a runway instead of a launch pad. It was designed as a single-stage-to-orbit (SSTO) vehicle, meaning it wouldn't need separate rocket stages to reach space. The Star Raker was imagined to carry large payloads into low Earth orbit, mainly to help build massive solar-powered satellites in space. Its engines were a mix of air-breathing jets for flying in the atmosphere and rocket engines for the final push into orbit. This hybrid system aimed to make launches cheaper and more efficient. Although the Star Raker was never actually built and remained a concept, it introduced bold ideas that influenced later spaceplane designs. Its vision of space travel being as routine as commercial flights continues to inspire engineers and space agencies working toward affordable, reusable spacecraft even today. The Star Raker might not have made it off the drawing board, but it helped shape the future of space transportation. The Stellar Jet is a new and advanced flying machine designed by Stellar Aircraft, Inc. It combines the abilities of a helicopter, which can take off and land almost anywhere, with the speed and efficiency of a regular airplane. This aircraft is focused on zero-emission travel, using a special system that mixes hydrogen fuel with electric motors. Thanks to this, it can fly up to 1,150 miles and cruise at speeds of around 323 miles per hour, which is much farther and faster than most electric aircraft today. The Stellar Jet is planned for different uses, such as luxury travel for business executives or adventure trips to remote places. It offers fast, eco-friendly travel from one place to another, even to locations that are hard to reach by normal planes.
The Stratosfera Volatile is a bold and futuristic flying vehicle designed to change the way we think about air travel. Instead of just being another vertical takeoff aircraft, it features a unique ring-wing design that helps with lift and stability in the air. At its center is a sleek, quiet cabin made to carry passengers efficiently and comfortably. It uses a hybrid electric propulsion system, aiming to offer clean energy and smooth, jet-like performance. While the exact details aren't public yet, the goal is clear: to make urban flying feel as natural and easy as driving, turning future flight into an everyday reality. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's advanced fifth-generation fighter jet, designed to handle multiple combat roles while staying one step ahead of its enemies. It combines stealth technology with extreme agility, making it fast, hard to detect, and tough to beat in a dogfight. Built with special materials and a low radar signature, the Su-57 can sneak into enemy territory, strike its target, and disappear before anyone realizes what happened. Its internal weapons bays, heat-reducing features, and thrust vectoring engines help it maneuver better than most jets. The Su-57 can fly at speeds over Mach 2 and has a combat range of about 1,500 kilometers, meaning it can travel far without needing to refuel. Inside the cockpit, the pilot is supported by advanced electronics, including AI-assisted targeting, sensor fusion, and high-tech avionics that provide a complete view of the battlefield. Whether the mission is air-to-air combat, attacking ground targets, or even electronic warfare, the Su-57 is built to handle it all. What makes it stand out is that it doesn't just keep up with Western stealth jets. It aims to outperform them with its unique mix of speed, stealth, and power.
The XTURISMO Hoverbike by ALI Technologies brings the idea of flying motorcycles from science fiction into real life. This unique vehicle combines the thrill of riding a motorcycle with the futuristic ability to hover and fly at low altitudes. It's a hybrid machine, powered by both gas engines and electric motors, which work together to lift its lightweight carbon fiber frame off the ground using multiple propellers. The XTURISMO can reach speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour and can stay in the air for about 30 to 40 minutes, making it perfect for short trips, exciting demonstrations, or adventurous experiences. It's designed to hover only a few meters above the ground, which makes it best suited for safe, controlled areas like racetracks or private properties. This hoverbike isn't made for long journeys or public roads but offers a new kind of excitement for those looking for a mix of adventure, innovation, and futuristic technology.